tutorial, that is inheritance. In Python there is a inheritance topic. So in inheritance, what do you mean by inheritance? Inheritance is nothing but the mechanism of driving in a new class from the old one is called inheritance or derivation. For example, we have a parents, and the parents the qualities the parents have, the same qualities will be there of a child also. So nothing but the inheritance. So in this there is a three types of inheritance. That is single level inheritance. In that there is a one base class. Like for example, one class has there are many different kinds of methods. So that methods also can be called by second class also, like derived class. And the third level is, we will going to see all these methods or types in practical. The next one is multi-level inheritance. In multi-level there will be multiple classes, and the last one is the derived class. For example, class A, class B, class C. Class A and class B are different classes, but the both can derive class C. And the last one is, that is multiple inheritance. In that multiple class will be there, and the one last class will be inherit all the classes. Like there are multiple base class, and you have to derive the derive one class only. So this is the inheritance, and I hope you will like this video. We all are going to see practically. Okay, now see, first example is single level inheritance. In single level inheritance, we have one base class, and the second one is, that is a child class or derived class. So first class will be, for example, class animal space. Now in this, what I am going to say, I am creating one method, def speak self. Okay, in this method what I will do, I will print one message, print animal space speaking after that. Now I want to create another class. In that I want to create another method. Okay, so class dog is nothing but my derived class of the animal class. Okay, now I want to define another method in this, that is bark. Fine. Now what I am going to do, I just derived my parent class to derived class, so that is animal. Okay, so this is my animal class, and now what I am going to say here, it is self. I am passing here object of the method. And next we are taking simple examples, because if I take any complicated example, so there is a difficulty of understanding. So that's why I am taking simple programming. Okay, so now this is fine. So now I have created two classes, that is class animal and second class, that is dog. In this, what I am going to do is, I will inherit this animal class to dog class, and what will happen, the this animal speaking is inherent by default here, dog class. So let's first of all I need to create an object of class to call the method. So now I am creating an object of class that is dog, not the animal class, and by default I will call the method of animal class also. So by how? So see, bark, the bark is in the dog class, but now I am creating the object through the object of dog. I am also calling the method speak also. So how we are doing this? Just because of inheritance. See, D goes to dog and D dot bark and D dot speak. So what I am going to say, I am just running this program. So Python space single level inheritance. Level inheritance dot py. Okay, see here, dog is barking and animal is speaking. So likewise this is my parent class and this is my child class. So what is happening here, my parent class is automatically called when the dog class is calling. Okay, so likewise if in school we have we known by our name only, but by default our parents name also we are writing over any name. If anyone say that write your full name, so our parents name also come in that place. So likewise this is the inheritance. The best example is like when we writing a school name or anywhere you are writing your full name, so your parents name will also come over there. So that is the, I think, best example to understand what is inheritance. So this is nothing but a single level inheritance. Now we are checking the multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance we will have two classes and the third class will inherit the second class. Fine. So let's take the example of third multi-level inheritance. Okay, so let's start. Class animal space def speak self. Now what I am just print animal speaking. Okay, now what I am going to do now, I am creating another class dog. Now I am calling my base class to the intermediate class, that is dog. So animal. Now what I am going and I will create here another method def that is bark. Now I am creating here object self print. Okay, now another class is now the child class will be dog child class. So now I am creating another method, that is eat dog okay. Now print eating bread. Okay, now I just want to call my this dog child class. So I will create a object of dog child class. Child class, that is, and here D dot first bark, second method D dot speak, D dot eat. Okay, now I just save the program and let me run the program. In this, what I am going, this is my parent class, this is my intermediate class, and this is my the child class, intermediate class of child class. So now I am running this program. It is nothing but multi-level 1.py. See, here dog is barking, animal speaking, eating bread. So this is nothing but your multi-level inheritance. The next step will be a multiple inheritance. Here it is level wise, level is there, first class, second class, third class. Now what is happening in last class, that is multiple inheritance. So let's check that example also. Now in this, what we are going to create, we will create 3 classes. Okay, 3 calculation classes. Calculation 1 space. Now just create a method def sum summation self comma a comma b. After that return a plus b, okay. Now next thing will be class 2, that is calculation 2. Calculation 2, and here I am just copying this, writing this part again here, just pasting here, and just give one tab here. It's not submission, it will be multiplication self a comma b. Here will be the multiplication sign. Next class will be my derived class. class derived. In this class, what I am going to do, I will derived calculation 1 comma calculation 2, and like see, this class and this class will call automatically here, and the other part is def divide method is there. Divide self, so self divide, so divide self comma a comma b. Okay, now what I am going to return a divided by b. Okay, so now I just create an object of class. So d equals to, as everyone knows that Python is a object oriented programming, so now we are creating an object of class. Okay, so if I'm always calling I want to create object of class, so you should understand that Python is object oriented programming language. Okay, so d dot submission I am passing here arguments, because I in the method I am already passing here external, so 12 comma 2. Fine. Now next will be same thing. I am again copying this and just print it once more. I'll change the method name over here, that is multiplication, and next thing, that is divide. Fine, and I am just changing this number 10 to 20 something. 10, 20, 10, 20. Fine. So let's run this program. So this is space multiple inheritance inherit dot py. Okay. Oh, what happened? Something missing is there. Okay. And this method. Now let me check this program. See, now we are getting this output. So this is your multiple inheritance. In that case, what I am creating one different class, that is calculation 1, and I am not inheriting this class to second class. I am directly inheriting this both the classes in third class. So this is nothing but your multiple inheritance, not multi-level inheritance. Okay, this is the major difference between multi-level inheritance and multiple inheritance. Okay, I hope you like it the video. Please do subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubt, anything, just comment section below, and please share the video. Thank you so much.